Oh boy! Welcome to the rigging stage of your 3D animation filmmaking journey. I don't like this part. I know some people love this part. It's weird for me personally. I love this part when things work. I hate this part when things go boom and destroy themselves and I don't know why it's happening. Then I love it again when I figure out a creative solution to the problem and it works great! I have a love-hate relationship with rigging. Yeah. Rigging is the technical side of animation. This is the stage where it's more computer work that you need to do beforehand, so your animation magic works great. I even place all the technical stuff here that you need to make sure that it works before we move forward to production. Here, we'll cover all the rigging you have to do for characters, environments, props. Even your camera and lights sometimes need some technical fixes to be used properly. I'll also add here some custom add-ons and scripts that you might want to have to make your animation production as smooth as possible. Here's something to make you feel better about rigging though. Have you seen those Leonardo da Vinci drawings of his crazy inventions? There were helicopters, flying machines, weapons, and stuff in high technical detail. It's a beautiful illustration work, but also you can see how it could function in real life. It's the artistry in mechanical workings. This is technical art. It's a cross-section of visual arts and engineering. This combination of practices is where you can give rise to all the fun living animation magic.